Welcome to clickmeproject.com. This is our project title for an efficient file hierarchy attribute-based encryption scheme in cloud computing. Okay, this is our abstract. So, in the domain of cloud, the cloud is a model for enabling services uses ubiquitous, convenient, and on-demand network access to a shared pool of configurable computing resources. So here the cloud with we can store in and retrieving data easily. Here we will using the cryptographic method. Cryptographic means more methodologies using encrypt and decrypt the data. So here we will using the CPABE as the ciphertext policy attribute based encryption has been a preferred encryption technology to solve the challenging problem of secure data sharing in cloud computing. The shared data files generally have the characteristics of multi-level hierarchy, particularly in the area of healthcare and the military. Here, however, the hierarchy structure of shared files have not been exploited in CPABE as a cybertext policy attribute-based encryption. An efficient file hierarchy attribute-based encryption is processed in cloud computing. So here the layered access structure are integrated into a single access structure, and then the hierarchical files are encrypted with the integrated access structure. Okay, this is the flow diagram for the ciphertext policy attribute based encryption. So the first one is the profile registration in the cloud. So here this is the basic security policies in the all systems. So the profile registration means the every user has assigned some username and password. So when the users come to the cloud, they enter the username and password, both are match is go for next phase. The next one is the data owner details. The data owners verify the user details as the TPA. TPA means the third party auditor. He is the maintain for the all users records, and the TPA is the key provider or the key generator. Here the public and the private keys will be generated. The key is the one of the component. It's based on it is mainly used for security purpose on the data encryption. So the next one is the encryption. The encryption and the decryption is the one of the part for the cryptographic technologies. Here we will using the different encrypt and decryption algorithms. For example, AES algorithm, triple DS, blowfish algorithms. Here we will using attribute based encryption. Attribute means for example for example I'm taking the patient is our concept with patient ID. Patient details is the attributes of the patient. So for any attribute based we will encrypt our data. So the data is come to the cloud service provider, CSP is the cloud service provider. Here the data will be transferred as the communication will be processed. Simply talk with the socket is a channel of communication. So here the socket means is a channel of communication for the client and the server. It's the same process of CSP is cloud service provider. So the cloud service provider is checking the user's details and to providing some services or some tasks. So again finally the CSPs verify the user details, and the data will be stored into the cloud. So the data is uploaded into the cloud. After the data uploaded, the users downloaded to the cloud. So the users come to the TPA to get the decryption key, and the decryption key using the data will be downloaded into the cloud. So finally the user is access the data. So now the demo section is start for an efficient file hierarchy attribute based encryption scheme in cloud computing. This is the home page. So when the user is come to the home, to click the user. So the user details is the Gangadharan. Okay, so user details is Gangadharan, or database 1108/1991. Okay, so the address is Raji Rajigo Street. So there is Maharashtra state, Maharashtra. The username is friend. Again the password is friend. So there user details is successfully registered. So the data has come to the username and password. So the login is successful. So login is successful. So the user details is come to the data owner. The data owners verify the user's details is based on the some process verifications. So this is our file as a enc.txt. So the file size will be getted into the megabytes. So the username is friend, the username is friend. So the TP is not selected. When click to the TPA button, the TPA is selected, the TPA name is Shakti. So the friend user to select the TPA as Shakti. Okay, so next your details is valid for TPA. Okay, so the data has come to the TPA page. The TPA is the key provider. He is the maintenance for all records. So records, our district is Mumbai. So our district is Mumbai. District is Mumbai. So our district is Mumbai. So selecting the process not selected. So when click to the mode, the user mode is selected, or the upload and the download. The user is selecting the upload process. So enter the key. Your key is assigned to the uploading process. So the data will be valid. So the user details is verified after go away. Okay. So again to be selected the file parts. To be selecting the files as enc.txt. This is our file. So the file name will be displayed. When I click to the encryption, the data will be encrypted. So the data will be encrypted successfully. So come to the next. This is the uploading process. So here always file chooser choosing them some data. Always using the data will be into the encryption file. So the data will be displayed. So this files to be assigned in the cloud 3. So I'm choose the upload process. Okay, so the user has come to the upload. The user has come to the upload process. So I am choosing the upload process. So choosing the file hierarchical. So the again file is f2.txt. This is the file. So assign the cloud 1. So I am uploading the process. Okay, so uploading the process. Next I click next I click to the another process as the system.java. System.java is the key generation page. So when I click to the enter, the key details is to be processed. Okay, so stored into the cloud. The cloud is assigned. So again the file is send. File is send. So the cloud is received. Okay, so when I click to the upload, the file is received. So here the key generation page is assigned. So the username is null, the cloud name is cloud1. I choosing the file as f2.txt. Enter the key is. So this the file names has to be stored into the cloud. So the cloud details is finished. So here the data is successfully stored into the cloud. Again we will using the download process. As the users click to the download decryption using click the download process. So choosing the cloud 1, sorry, cloud 2 as some files. So here we will using cloud 1. The file is f2.txt. This is our file. So when I request to the user, the server is responding to them. The server is respond to the process. So receive request. So the cloud name is assigned, the file name is f2.txt. So send key, here receive key. (268500E1). This is our key. okay, so the key is processed. Again, receive request, so the request will be processed. So send file, the file is received. Here the download, so here the data will be successfully downloaded into the user. Okay, the coding part is finished. So the this is the cloud one, and the cloud one, and the file is f2.txt. So this file is successfully stored into the cloud, and the file is successfully written from the cloud. Okay, the code part is finished. Thanks for listening.